Hi everyone! Today I'm making pumpkin spice bread. This easy fall treat is spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and allspice. This recipe makes 2 loaves and the bread turns out moist and delicious. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And in a large bowl, add 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Now make a hole in the center. Then add 4 eggs lightly beaten, 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now stir this together until it's combined. Then spray 2 loaf pans with non-stick cooking spray. Evenly divide the batter between the 2 pans. Now just bake this in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then remove from oven and let stand for 10 minutes. Then remove the bread from the pans and let them cool on wire racks. And here it is, pumpkin spice bread. And you can change up this recipe by adding chopped nuts, chocolate chips, or even dried cranberries. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at amylynnskitchen. Then remove the bread oh no. And you can change up this recipe by adding chopped chocolate chips or even dried no, wait a minute. I had it and I messed it up. Wait a minute. I had it and I messed up.